What is up, everyone? Striky Cat here, and today, or a while ago, I got this awesome pencil Beyblade from someone. It's pretty old, it's from like 2010, and we're gonna be reviewing it and seeing how good it is. Okay, I'm just fixing my launcher to go in right spin. I'm super excited to test this Bay in battle because it's super cool. And it's pretty fun to use. Okay, ready? So this Beyblade, it's really cool because it's special ability. This is called Tornado Leone, and it has this tall kind of structure to it, and kind of defense tip, and it's very good at deflecting attacks. So let's battle it. Let's see. First, I'm just gonna do simple test launch. So it spins pretty well. It can go in my hand. And now, what base should I get? I just get this simple custom combo I made. Let me see if it'll. That combo does not stand though. This doesn't stand the launcher very well, so I'm gonna have to do it. I don't wanna break. There we go. Alright, let's see how it does. I notice it's so tall that it takes hits to the performance tip. Whoa, big hit. And you can kind of do like a kick attack kind of thing because it's tall. So it takes, these kinds of hits really well. Let's battle against some burst bays. I always like to do that. Let me get my launcher ready. Let's do Nightmare Leone. Okay. Yeah, got knocked out pretty fast. Oop, it's going back in. Who's gonna be the winner? They're kind of both spin stealing from each other. And it looks like it's gonna be the pencil Beyblade. Even with a shaky start, it's still won. Next, let's do kind of maybe more of a heavier attack combo. Actually, this is that's just the heaviest combo you can get probably with attack because it's so strong. There's probably other ones. Let's try this. Dang it. Is it gonna let me do a relaunch with that here. There we go, that's a better launch. Is it gonna knock it into the hole? Yep. Yeah, so overall this Bay is pretty good. I would recommend getting it if you can. Peace out.